The cooperating teachers,
may call in
the Master Teacher 1 at Tangled City National High School, Mr. Joseneto P. Escala. A round of applause, please.
Check. My utmost respect to the college president of Tangub City Global College, Dr. Maricel M. Nueva, to the Vice President of the Academic Affairs, Mrs. Eileen Ardaguman, Dean of Institute of Teacher Education, Dr. Noriel B. Irap, Assistant Dean, my former colleague in the College of Arts and Social Sciences, Mrs. Lilibet Isaison, Miss Mary Hani Tikilab, the College Internship Coordinator, to the BS Ed Social Studies Program Coordinator, Miss Christine Jane P. Amora, Dynamic Institute of Teacher Education Workforce, esteemed TCGC faculty members, my friends and former colleagues in GAD TC, high caliber practice teachers and interns, the batch Invictus, a pleasant afternoon to all. Vini, VD, VC. Pag-ingon ni Sir Ganina nga batch Invictus, research ginako unsay meaning of Invictus. When we talk about Vini, VD, VC, I know the social studies majors are very aware of this. I came, I saw, and I conquered. But on your part, batch Invictus, yes, you came, but I saw how you conquered. It's an honor to stand before you on this historic day. One can imagine a sudden explosion from a gun na aday mi buto karong adlaw, reverberating in a crowd of spectators that ended the lives of the royal heir and his wife in the city of Sarajevo. Social studies majors, I know that you knew about this by heart. Naapil magani siguro ni sa inyong lesson plan o pag-discuss ninyo ani inyuha ni siyang i-action. Yes, this day, exactly 110 years ago, at 11:15 a.m., Gavrilo Princip, sounds familiar, right? Gavrilo Princip pulled the trigger that killed Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife, which took the world in a journey of turmoil, misery, and suffering, commonly known as World War I. On a personal note, today is also a historic day for me. For 8 years of my journey as a cooperating teacher, if I remember it correctly, I came to realize the part of me was uncooperative. Why? Because this is my first time to participate in this kind of event. And here I am holding a microphone. I am also aiming closely at the target. But no, I am not advocating or espousing violence here. But it is my aspiration to carry out the mission of unleashing words and barrage of thoughts that hopefully would give inspiration to our beloved interns. Honestly, sa tinuod lang, as a homebody, I am not fond of attending gatherings and events like this. The month-long hiatus for teachers' courtesy of former DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte reinforced a sort of pleasurable basking in my comfort zone. Naaragyo ko pirmi sa among balay. Stay at home, glancing on my phone, and rolling at J1 Low sneakers in multiple colorways, if you know what I mean. Tanaw-tanaw sapatos, lingaw-lingaw, o sa'y makadungokos kong asawa, sige lang, tanaw sa video ni Kim Cho o ni Paulo Abilino. Ang isa ka video, kapito tanawon, giunsa paghikap sa kamot ug uban pa. Okay? Multiple colorways that I could not even afford to buy, unfortunately, and always relegated into a vault of oblivion called Add to Cart, filled with hundreds of dormant bodies. Tama rag add to cart in town. On a serious note, seryoso na ta. Our dear interns, I have this question. Can you still remember the feeling the moment you stepped into a classroom of the school on the first day of your practice teaching period? Nakinomdom pa ba mo si feeling? Okay, very good. Presumably, the beginning of this wonderful journey may have been filled with overwhelming excitement, enthusiasm, but eventually replaced with silent and sincere utterance of prayers for endurance, strength, and vigor with a husky voice. Yes, we have seen your heroic journey on your demonstration teaching day. From the gate to the lobby, then to the classroom in full battle gear of laptops, extension wires, and batteries, bringing with you loads of teaching arsenals from top to bottom, left to right, front to back, including the snacks that gave so much delight to our learners. Amazingly, you did all these things with a sweet and endearing smile for them despite the difficulties that confront you. Witness gid mi ana tanan kung unsa gyud kakulba on the demo teaching day. Nga halos gani di na mo mutingog kung pangutan-on tungod sa kakulba. Yes, you have also taken us on a journey and experience. We should be thankful for these cooperating teachers. Like a celebrity. Why? With our sought-after signatures that we need to affix on pile of papers as if renewing a contract in Star Magic. Yes, we have seen your ups and downs. We have witnessed productive IBACs. You know what I mean? As a testament of laborious undertaking and sleepless nights, we have heard your worries and doubts inside, and we have felt your sorrows and happiness, and we may not have literally seen the blood, the sweat, the tears that you shed just to get things done in life of a practice teacher. But look at yourselves now. You have been painstakingly training in aiming your weapon loaded with knowledge and skills, so you have successfully hit your target. Bullseye. On a serious note, the theme for this year's event is Journey of Growth. Abi na akong na-team rin, mali ako naong. 15 minutes po kong inedit itaw na ani. Journey of Growth, reflecting on practice teacher's path to professional and personal development. This explains why, as you have probably observed on the integration of journey in the thoughts and ideas I have shared a while ago. Sige jugog mention of journey, kaya ako mangi-anchor sa theme. Growth, on the other hand, journey of growth man, as a keyword, is not that highly relatable to me. Because I am always a victim of an adage that says, height is might. Kanilaging wapo kay tamitubo, ato na lang gawaton. Anyway, batch Invictus, the dismal PISA, kadungog naman siguro tani tanan, or Program for International Student Assessment Test Results for Filipino learners, may it be in terms of literacy, numeracy, creative and critical thinking, liman mo na nga only 3% of 15-year-old learners could match the 15-year-old learners of Singapore in the Philippines. That is very, very alarming and disheartening.
Pag-design ni Duterte, design ni
It revealed the magnitude of gap that needs to be addressed and the amount of work that has to be done in order to respond on this alarming condition and status of our educational system. At tuwan na lang ng dawaton, unsa may atong pwede mabuhat as teachers. Together, this is a challenge for all of us educators to embark into a journey of growth, of calibrating our knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes so that we will be able to fill this gap of ignorance and uplift the learning condition of the Filipino students. This journey, for sure, would take us into stormy seas, considering the degree of challenge that we need to surmount. But we need to hoist the sail of optimism, hard work, competence, and commitment in order to reach the calm seas or waters of quality education. As teachers, we should practice. This was actually mentioned a while ago. By heart, the adage, cliche as it is, that learning is a continuous process. That is why we need to capacitate ourselves with the 21st century skills by pursuing professional development, participating in trainings and conferences, personally enhancing one's teaching skills, and unlocking our full potential as teachers. The PISA issue is a highly serious matter that requires concrete solution from the government, the department, and of course, from our full commitment and participation on the programs and activities designed to combat this enormous challenge. As teachers, this should be dealt with sincere efforts, but when hunger strikes, the PISA will be countered by pizza, loaded with toppings in an afternoon break. Why not? Gutom gani, kaon yuta. Ilawas ray punan. The message is clear for all of us. Our journey to the path of professional growth is a dire necessity for us to become part of the solution in facing a Goliath of learning inadequacy. If we want better output, we have to contemplate on this, and favorable result, then we must be that quality input. Moreover, if we want to achieve more, then we should do more and rise from stagnation, apathy, and mediocrity. To encapsulate, the upliftment of our educational system today can be achieved through our growth as teachers and create the much needed impact in order to transmit that learning growth to our learners. Anhin na po ko sa pagpasalamat sa faculty sa Tangub City Global College, especially in the Institute of Teacher Education. I have this revelation to make for the interns under your tutelage. As cooperating teacher, pardon me for saying this, but honestly, I have done less. I have worked a little. I have given a few. And you know why? Because you have already provided them with manifold competencies. You have already made them huge in their respective fields. And you have equipped them with vast knowledge, skills, values, and positive attitudes to become proficient teachers in this land. Seryoso yan ako ha? It is highly evident with this miyani tanan kaming mga cooperating teachers, it is highly evident and truly apparent that you have already taken them to the summit of excellence and the pinnacle of brilliance in the realm of teaching. If not in Mount Everest, probably in Mount Kanchenjunga. Indeed, the academic institution really serves as an exceptional training ground in producing excellent educators and globally competitive professionals who could immensely contribute to the nation building and the improvement of the lives of the Filipino people. My fervent salute, mga ma'am and sir, and admiration for such commendable and enormous effort. Another bullseye for you, ma'ams and sirs. And I would like to end my part by encouraging all of us to contemplate upon the lyrics of a popular song. Daghan rabag yung karong uso ng mga kanta. Yes, you have heard it right. But it's not from the viral Pantropico or Salamin from Bini. It's from the famous American rock band called Journey. And I quote, "Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street lights, people." My fellow educators, Batch Invictus, we are collectively holding the torch of enlightenment. We should keep that flame of knowledge burning and anchor in the faith that with this light, people will find the right way to live their lives to the fullest. Congratulations, Batch Invictus. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, atin ang West Philippine Sea. Shukran.
Thank you so much, Sir Joselito B. Escala. A round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much for your inspiring words that have touched and motivated us deeply. Deeply, ha? But not sure. Okay ba ba ako na? Hi!